Toddler.
Ahoy, little explorers! Captain Fiona here. Time for a sea adventure. Hey, something's jumping. It flips and splashes. It's jumping again. What it could be, little explorers? Yay! A dolphin! Dolphins love to jump high. Look, look, look! Over there! It has such big claws. What it could be? Do you know, my little wonders? Yes! You guessed it right! It's a lobster! So snappy! Whoa! I see something huge moving. Whoa! It's spraying water. What animal can do that? Oh my God! This is blue whale! The largest animal ever! A fin! A fin! Who is this? Oh no! Those pointy teeth! Wait, it's a baby shark? Yay! Shark! Let's dance! Do-do-do-do. Come on, little explorers. Time to dive in. Let's see what's hiding below. What's this? Is that a horse or a fish? Or a fishy horse? Do you know what's this? Aw, a seahorse! A wiggle-waggle, curly-twirly seahorse! Bye, twirly-pony fish! Whoa, what's that wiggly monster thing? I see something with lots of arms. Who could this be? Yes! Octopus! So many squiggly, jiggly arms! Bye-bye, wiggly friend! Oh, who's that swimming slowly ahead? Someone with a shell. Can you guess? Who is this with a big round shell? Yay! A turtle! Yay! Good going, little explorers! So calm and cute. Let's see more. What's that glowing shape? It floats up and down like a little light. Can you guess? It's a jellyfish. So many jellyfish dancing with me. Look! Who is this bright zigzag cutie? Oh, electric eel. No touching. It can give a shock. See you later, electric eel. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun with me.